Hey everyone, today we are diving into something pretty cool, vector-based search retrieval. You might have heard about it in passing or wondered how search engines and apps seems to get smarter every day. So what's this all about? And why should you care? Let's break it down. So what is vector-based search retrieval? Okay, first thing first, traditional search engines mostly work by matching the exact keywords you type with the words their database. Think of it like a giant game of matching words. If you search for best running shoes, it looks for a page with those exact keywords. But here's the catch. Language is not always that simple. What if you search for comfortable sneakers for jogging instead? Keyword matching might miss some great results because the words don't match exactly. This is where vector-based search retrieval steps in. Instead of just looking for keywords, it transforms your search query and documents into something called vectors. Basically numerical representations that capture the meaning behind the words. So what's a vector and why does it matter? Think of a vector as a point in space, but instead of physical space, it's an abstract space where similar ideas live close to each other. Words and phrases with related meanings end up near one another, even if they don't share the exact same words. For example, car and automobile are two different words, but in vector space, they are really close because the meaning are same. When you type a query, the search engine converts it into a vector. It does the same for all the documents and items it can show you. Then it compares these vectors not by counting matching words, but by measuring how close they are in the meaning space. So why this is a game changer? This approach is much smarter because it understands context and meaning. So when you search for healthy dinner ideas, it can show you recipes for nutritious meals, low-calorie dinner, or even plant-based dishes, even though those exact words are not in your query. Here are some examples of big benefits. Better results. You get matches that feel more relevant even if you did not type the exact keyword. Handles synonyms and variations. It understands different ways of saying the same thing. Improves over time. Machine learning modules that create these vectors, they get better as they see more data. Supports complex queries. Even vague or abstract searches can get meaningful results. Where do we see vector search in action? You probably interact with vector-based search every day without realizing it. Google's people also ask, and similar features rely on semantic understanding. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa interpret your commands more naturally. Streaming platforms recommended shows based on your taste, not just exact titles. E-commerce sites find products matching your style, not just the name you typed. How does this technology work behind the scenes? It's powered by machine learning and natural language processing. Here's the simplified version. Training on language. Models like BERT or GPT read tones of text and learn the relationships between words. Creating embeddings. They convert words, sentences, or even entire documents into vectors. These numerical fingerprints capture meaning, indexing everything. The database stores these vectors instead of just raw text. Query vectorizations. When you search, your query becomes a vector too. The future of search is meaning, not just words, so next time you search for something, remember behind that scene, it's not just a word much anymore. It's powerful mathematical way of understanding what you really mean. Vector-based search retrieval is a secret sauce making search smarter, faster and way more helpful. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you are curious about more tech that's shaping our digital world, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Catch you in the next video.